YouTube? Welcome back to the channel today. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different than my typical content that I put out. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a special sneaker that I just got. If you know me, sneakers are a huge part of my life. I like to consider myself a sneakerhead. But I got a hold of some dope sneakers that came out back in November of last year. But I finally got a hold of them. I was actually watching a native YouTuber from the town that I was actually born in. I seen him get a pair of these shoes and I had wanted to get them, but I totally spaced them. Just being busy with life and with kids and work and everything, kind of totally forgot about it, went to the back of my mind. But when I seen his video and I seen him pull these shoes out, I was like, oh man, I gotta get those. So I got on the internet and searched all over to try to find these shoes, but they did not have my size and I could not absolutely find any. So I reverted to StockX, and shout out to StockX for coming through and allowing me to cop these shoes. So the shoe that I will be unboxing today is gonna be the Jordan 8 N7. And if you don't really know anything about N7 is a branch of Nike that promotes health and wellness and different physical activity within, you know, the Native American community. This isn't the first N7 shoe. They have multiple N7 shoes, the KDs, they have N7 running shoes that I've seen, Roshis, and the list goes on for the N7 sneakers that they have out. But the reason why I really wanted these shoes and the reason why N7 means something to me is because I myself am half Native American. I'm half Navajo. My mother's from New Mexico, out on the Navajo reservation, so that's where she grew up her entire life. So me being half Native American, half Navajo, it's really dope just to see a branch of Nike N7 just commemorating Native American culture. So that's just a little bit of backstory on the shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get to the sneakers and we'll get these shoes unboxed. So like I said, I got these from StockX. It took them about a week and a half to come in because they got them from the initial reseller and they shipped it to StockX so they could verify the authenticity, and then from there StockX shipped it to myself. So I would say that a week and a half during these times is pretty quick for them to get it here that fast with the coronavirus and COVID-19 and everything going on. We'll get all this taken out and we'll get to the shoe box. So box right out the gate is pretty dope. If you are familiar with a lot of the retro Jordans, you know that with every retro Jordan, there was always a card inside every sneaker box, just showing the history behind the sneaker and just different little things about the sneaker. So on this box specifically, they have a lot of those retro cards all over the box. You got the red Jumpman. So this is just pretty dope packaging, pretty dope of Jordan just to get all of this stuff together. You can see all the sneaker templates and patterns that they had, just rough ideas for what they wanted to do. This N7 collaboration was pretty dope because I love the colorway that they did with it. And they also work with Pendleton, which is a company that does a lot of shawls and rug dresses and different rugs and throws, all geared towards Native American culture. So it's just really dope of Pendleton to work with Jordan on this collaboration. I've seen Pendleton work with Vans. I've seen Pendleton work with, there was another company, I forget who it was. But they do a lot of collaborations with different shoe companies to commemorate Native American culture. So that's just a really awesome thing to see. But we'll go ahead and get the shoes out of the box. So out of the box, I got the, well, this is from StockX, and the receipt. We have black paper lining the shoe box. And then we also got another layer of paper that really got the packaging down. And now we got the shoe. Now, right out the gate, the shoe is just nice. Great colorway, great scheme. Everything just flows together. It's got that turquoise and coral color in there and a little bit of gold. Really dope colorway. As you can see here, this is the shoe. This is the Jordan 8 N7. Very awesome colorway. And as you can see here, this is the Pendleton that I'm talking about. This right here is what a lot of the shawls and rugs and throws are all made of. Very nice sneaker. There's the bottom of the sneaker. These are dead stock. So these have never been worn. So brand new sneaker. So also with this sneaker came different laces. You got like turquoise laces and coral laces, and you can throw those on the sneaker besides the gray ones that we have here. And as you can see there, StockX verified. They verified the authenticity. And you got the suede on the toe box, suede on the straps, and also there was another part of the shoe that I didn't show you, and that's right here. If you can see, you got the Jordan tab, and then you have the Pendleton right there, the Pendleton tab right underneath. And that Pendleton tab is on every Pendleton shawl, every Pendleton blanket, every Pendleton rug dress. And one of the things about back home on the reservation is that a lot of the girls will dress up with the Pendleton rug dresses that they have for graduations and different ceremonial purposes. So, very dope shoe. I'm extremely proud of these shoes and being able to get them and get a hold of them. I honestly got them for a steal on StockX. I got them for $180. With shipping, it came out to $215, which isn't bad at all. And right now, I just checked StockX again, and the last pair that they sold in my size was at $287. So within a week and a half, the value of the shoe has already gone up. So I personally probably won't rock these that often for the fact that I work in a barber shop, and getting hair on this wool Pendleton would not be great because all the hairs are just sticking there. But I will be rocking these on my days off for sure. Very awesome shoe. The detail and the quality within the shoe is just amazing. In my opinion, Jordan has been slacking lately with a lot of the retros that come out. I personally am not a fan of the recent 11s that came out, the recent 13s. But these 8s, the 8s, he always tends to just keep the quality coming. So that I could appreciate. And last retro Jordan N7 collaboration I had seen was the Jordan 7s. And those N7s were not the greatest colorway in my opinion. That is why I'm really excited about this colorway, because I wear a lot of black as is. And these shoes are just a great addition to the collection. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Air Jordan 8 N7s and a little bit of the back history, why N7 came about. We'll get back to Barber content with the next video. Also, I want to say in advance congratulations to whoever won the 1K giveaway. We are almost to 1,200 subscribers already. So by the time this is out, there should be a winner for the 1K giveaway already picked, because I will be doing that Wednesday the 20th, and today is Monday the 18th. So congratulations to the winner, whoever it is. I really appreciate you for sticking through this video and sticking through the unboxing of these shoes. If you're a sneakerhead, drop a comment down below, #sneakerhead, because I know there's a lot of barbers out there that are sneakerheads, you know, but we just can't be wearing our sneakers like that all the time in the shop. Thank you everybody for your constant support. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Until next time, peace.